Hi, everyone. I wanted to introduce you to this Padlet that I have put together for you so that you can learn more information about reliable and unreliable sources. It's really important when you're writing a paper in English or doing research in science or social studies that the sources that you're choosing to use to back up your claims or the topic that you are writing about is a reliable source. You want to make sure that the author is credible. You want to make sure the information they're giving you is accurate so that the information that you share in your own writing is also accurate. You want to learn correctly and not have to go back and relearn something because you assumed that a source told you correct information when it didn't. So this is a compilation of all kinds of things that you can use to learn more about how to identify a source as reliable and unreliable. So some things I have multiple YouTube videos here. There's one, how to evaluate sources for reliability. There's a couple here as well, evaluating sources for credibility, how to determine credible sources. There's some checklists that you can use. There's a checklist here. There's also a test called the CRAP test that you can use, and it has a funny name, so hopefully you'll remember it. There's questions you can ask yourself when you're evaluating a source. There's a resource on finding credible news. There's an infographic for how to look at a source to see if it is reliable. There's also a Nearpod lesson, so it walks you through what makes a source credible or uncredible and asks you some questions so you can test yourself as you're learning. There's also a Wayground quiz that you can take, and there's a discussion question. Tell me why you think it's important to understand if a source is reliable or not. So I hope this is helpful to you. I hope it helps you in your classes and you're able to really understand the difference between a reliable and an unreliable source and put that to use in your writing. Okay, have a great day.